Alright, let's also take a look at this Ferrari. Actually, Mansory calls it Stallone, so Stallone by Mansory right here. Let's take a look at the wheel first, so you can see a huge carbon ceramic brake discs, a yellow brake caliper, and a glossy black wheel with a red line matching the exterior of the car around the outer rim right here, looking absolutely incredible. All of this is again carbon fiber with a different pattern than what we're normally used to seeing. Let's take a look at this insane spoiler at the back of the car, and of course the all carbon fiber details right here. I love the little Italian flag on the wheel as well. If you look into the interior, you can see that it's a Alcantara leather on the dashboard, and then normal red leather seats and black Alcantara headliner and top of the doors, and black leather floor, and then of course the rest of it is either gloss black or carbon fiber. Insane vent right here, and carbon fiber is even included in the headlight assembly right here, or actually next to the headlight, but from the distance it actually looks like one piece.